Asymmetric investing is all about trying to find 10x opportunities in the market over the next decade, and one that has been a massive winner just over the last 24 hours is the Trump meme token. But this is one of those cases where I think investors really need to know exactly what they're buying and what they should expect from this coin, from this token in the future. Because there's a difference between buying a company that is going to be disruptive, is going to increase earnings and revenue over time, and buying a purely speculative asset. To be clear, this is a purely speculative asset. There is no utility, there is no real value. So I'm going to get to exactly what those details say, who actually owns this token, because that's really important as well, and what the future likely is for meme coins like this. My name is Travis Hoium. Thanks for watching Asymmetric Investing. Please subscribe here on YouTube for all my content. And if you want that research on 10x stocks over the next 10 years in my market beating portfolio, about double the performance of the market, just buying stocks once a month and holding them long term, I have all that information on asymmetric-investing.com. I let my premium subscribers know every single trade I make before I make it. I'm not investing in speculative assets. I'm buying real companies that have real disruptive potential to grow their revenue and earnings over time. So like I said, that's usually what I focus on here on this channel. But I do want to tell you what the true story is behind this token. Let's start with the official homepage. This is the official homepage of the Trump meme, and it's actually a pretty simple site. Even the launch was very simple. Could have bought with a debit card or bought with crypto. And this is a meme coin that is on Solana. So keep that in mind if you're interested in cryptocurrencies. A lot of these things are going on Solana right now because it's so easy to create tokens. From everything I understand, it probably didn't take more than a few hours to launch this token itself. But this is the key right here. This is what I want everyone to understand with this meme. Trump memes, as they are calling it, are intended to function as an expression of support for and engagement with the ideals and beliefs embodied by the symbol #Trump and the associated artwork, and are not intended to be the subject of an investment opportunity, investment contract, or security of any type. GetTrumpMemes.com is not political and has nothing to do with any political campaign or any political office or governmental agency. That is also in the terms and conditions that are outlined here. This is not intended to be an investment. This is not related to political campaigns or governmental offices. And the other piece that's really important is the allocation. 200 million Trump tokens are available today. Day one would actually be yesterday. And there's going to be a 1 billion in total over 3 years. So let's go through exactly what that looks like. This is the full distribution by group. Creators and CIC Digital 1, 36%. Creators and CIC Digital 2, 18%. 3, 18%. This is the two that are available right now is liquidity, 100 million, and public distribution, 100 million. And then there's creators in CIC Digital 4, creators in CIC Digital 5, 2%, creators in CIC Digital 6, 2%. This is how that dilution will look over time. This is on a monthly basis. So in 4 months, the fourth month, CIC Digital 1, which owns 36%, is going to start to unlock. Those unlocks are right here. Unlock at launch is 0%. The lock duration for the first group is 3 months. The initial cliff is 10%, and the unlock duration is 24 months, and it unlocks on a daily basis. So basically going to be a linear unlocking of those tokens. Second one is going to be up in 6 months. The initial cliff is 25%. That's again 24 months and daily. You can look at this entire chart here and just see that all of the tokens are eventually going to be unlocked over the course of 3 years. This is the part that is important with those owners. So 80% of the token, 80%, is owned by CIC Digital LLC, an affiliate of the Trump Organization, and Fight LLC. They collectively owned 80% of the Trump cards, as they're calling them. And that's what's subject to the 3-year unlock. So when you look at the value today, and we can look at this from a market cap perspective, the current market cap, as I'm recording, about $5.7 billion. The fully diluted market cap, which is up here in the top left, that is actually closer to $28 billion. But 80% of that is owned by the creators and the Trump Organization. And those assets start to unlock basically 3 months from today. Now, I have no idea if the Trump token is going to go up or down in value today, tomorrow, next week, or next month. But what I think is clear is that this is very clearly a meme. There is no utility value. There is no business behind it. There is no cash flow behind it. This is the definition of the greater fool theory. What investors in this token today are saying is that they think they're going to be able to find somebody in the future to buy the token for a higher price. That works until it doesn't. And so that's my caution to investors today. If you are interested in this token, it is literally buying a meme. It is not buying anything of utility. And as these unlocks come out, remember 80% of these tokens are still locked up. As those unlocks come out, I would be willing to bet that they're going to be sold at a very rapid rate because the people who created this token are not interested in investing or owning a meme. They are looking to sell these tokens as quickly as they can. I don't know when this crashes, if it's a month from now, if it's 6 months from now, if it's 5 years from now, but eventually this token and all these other meme coins are going to crash because there is no utility behind them. If you are looking for companies that have utility, have disruption, have cash flow generation, have all the things that have proven to provide value over the course of decades and centuries, sign up for asymmetric investing because that's what I'm analyzing there. I don't usually look at things like meme tokens because there is no utility there. But given the attention, I wanted to provide a little bit of education to people who are looking at this token for the first time because I'm seeing so many people who are interested in the Trump token, and I'm concerned that people are buying them thinking there's some sort of value there. That's not the case. There is just simply no value, and it is written on the can. If you go to the website, you can see for yourself. There is no utility. There is no new blockchain. There's really no there besides a meme. If you want to buy that, that's up to you. But I will be investing in companies that have staying power over the next 10, 20, 30 years. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Asymmetric Investing and join me on Asymmetric Investing newsletter. I'd love to have you and grow that community there as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you here next time.